Welcome, friends. Today we're tackling a common concern: how to stop Facebook from accessing your microphone. Whether you're worried about privacy or just want more control over your app permissions, this quick guide will walk you through the steps to disable microphone access on Facebook. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your device's controls live, from screen brightness to app permissions. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps or App Management. The exact wording might vary depending on your phone's model, but it's usually easy to spot. Tap that. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through until you find Facebook. It might take a moment if you've got a lot of apps, but once you spot that familiar blue and white icon, tap it to open its settings. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option called Permissions. This is where you'll see everything Facebook is allowed to access: your camera, contacts, location, and of course, the microphone. Tap Permissions, and you'll be taken to a new screen with a list of toggle switches. Find the microphone option in the list. When you tap it, you'll see two choices: Allow and Don't Allow. Select Don't Allow to revoke Facebook's access to your microphone. That's it. You've just shut the door on any potential eavesdropping. Keep in mind, though, that disabling this permission means features like recording videos or making voice calls directly in the app won't work unless you re-enable it. But if privacy is your priority, this trade-off is worth it. Before we wrap up, let's recap. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Facebook, tap Permissions, and disable the microphone. Simple, right? Take a moment to check other apps while you're here. You might be surprised what else has access to your mic. Thanks for following along. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who'd find it useful. For more tips on managing your digital life, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay safe and take control of your privacy.